Good afternoon, this is George Perry, Mayor of the City of Timmins, wishing to give an update on the COVID-19 situation as it impacts the City of Timmins. I have to say right off the bat that the City firmly endorses the Premier's declaration of a state of emergency in the province of Ontario this morning, which dovetails nicely with the Prime Minister's comments yesterday afternoon regarding the restriction of travel into Canada. The Premier in his comments this morning said that they were as a direct result and to show support for Ontario Health. Of course, Ontario Health is the agency that the Porcupine Health Unit reports to. And we at the City of Timmins endorse everything the Porcupine Health Unit is doing and the response to the COVID-19 crisis from the day of the first case in Canada. They're doing a phenomenal job. My point here today is for a couple of reasons. Number one, we know that this disease is very contagious. This virus is very contagious. We know that it'll impact 35 to 40% of the community. We know those impacted, the vast majority will be mild. For those, however, that are susceptible, it's quite a severe disease. It's quite a severe virus. It does the severity of it, which of course will overwhelm the ability of our hospital and health teams to provide the services as required. And that's what this is all about. We have to be conscious of our duties as citizens within the City of Timmins to those that are most susceptible. And first and foremost in this is that we don't need to panic. Panic in this community is evidenced by the hoarding, particularly toilet paper. When you deplete the shelves of toilet paper within your community, then there are facilities that need toilet paper that you leave without. Toilet paper is made in Canada. The manufacturers have said there won't be any shortage of it, so we don't need to hoard it. So act responsible in your conduct. And that responsibility includes washing your hands, a respectful distance, no crowds, which fits very nicely with the Premier's declaration of a state of emergency. The other thing that we will be doing within the City of Timmins are well described and are doing within the City of Timmins are well described in the releases that we've had prior to and including today regarding closures. If you want to get information on what in fact the city is doing, then you can access our webpage. So the idea there is to stay informed. You can stay informed on the City of Timmins webpage, and you can stay informed on the Porcupine Health Unit's webpage. The federal government and the provincial government have announced that there will be financial aid to those in need. Well, on Tuesday, I will be approaching Council to ask them to authorize the Treasurer to waive the interest on taxes during this period of time that we're going through this crisis. All in an effort to help our citizens and help the business communities, particularly the small business communities that are going to suffer as restaurants are closed, as the hotels are closed, as of course you see their revenue base decline. So that's what we'll be doing within the City of Timmins to help out our business community. It's an ongoing situation, it's an evolving situation. We expect the numbers nationally and provincially will increase, but again, there's no need to panic, and we can definitely control this by using our own knowledge of safe and safe sanitary practices. So we can get through this, we can get this done. So the further updates, I presume, will be coming from the Porcupine Health Unit in the ensuing days. So thank you very much.